Today, let's learn about these amazing railway vehicles. From long trains with powerful engines that move everywhere to compact trains that can move flexibly in the city. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a military train. It's built to transport troops, tanks, and supplies across long distances. Known for its power and durability, it plays a crucial role in military logistics and national defense. This is a tram train. It's a hybrid between a tram and a train, running on both city streets and mainline tracks. Loved for its flexibility, it connects urban centers with surrounding regions efficiently. This is a skytrain. It glides above the city on elevated tracks, offering fast, scenic, and eco-friendly travel. With sleek design and modern technology, it redefines urban commuting. This is a coal train. It's a long, heavy-duty train designed to haul massive loads of coal from mines to power plants. Its strength and endurance make it a symbol of industrial might. This is a commuter train. It's the daily lifeline for city workers, connecting suburbs to business districts. Known for its punctuality and comfort, it makes everyday travel easier and faster. This is a container train. It carries shipping containers filled with global goods. Efficient and powerful, it keeps international trade moving across continents. This is a diesel-electric train. Powered by a diesel engine and electric traction motors, it combines strength and efficiency for reliable long-distance journeys. This is a steam locomotive. An icon of the railway's golden age, it runs on steam power with billowing smoke and rhythmic chugs, a nostalgic symbol of classic train travel. This is a double-decker train. With 2 levels of seating, it carries more passengers in comfort and style. It's popular on busy routes where space and capacity matter most. This is an electric locomotive. Fast, clean, and powerful, it runs on electricity and delivers smooth rides with minimal noise. The backbone of modern rail networks. This is a freight train. Built for strength, it hauls heavy cargo like steel, coal, and machinery across vast distances, driving the heartbeat of global industry. This is a funicular. It's a cable railway climbing steep hills using counterbalanced cars. Famous in mountain cities, it offers scenic and unique uphill rides. This is a hybrid train. Combining diesel and electric power, it's smart, efficient, and eco-friendly. A new generation of trains for a greener future. This is an Intercity train. Designed for comfort and speed, it connects major cities with spacious cabins and smooth rides, perfect for business and leisure travel. This is a light rail. Sleek and silent, it runs through urban streets, providing quick and modern transport for city dwellers. This is a Loram rail grinder. It's a maintenance train that grinds and smooths rails to extend their lifespan and improve safety. A true workhorse behind the scenes. This is an oil train. Designed to transport large quantities of crude oil safely, it's powerful, long, and vital for the global energy supply chain. This is a passenger train. Built for comfort and efficiency, it connects towns and cities while offering travelers scenic views and smooth journeys. This is a rail motor car. A small, self-propelled train that runs on local lines. Compact, practical, and perfect for short regional trips. This is a track inspection train. Equipped with cameras and sensors, it scans tracks for safety and damage, ensuring every train journey stays smooth and secure. If you find this video useful or interesting, remember to subscribe to the channel to regularly follow new videos. Thank you!